Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Today we have the brand new GM3500 IAED. This is Genmax brand new compact 3,500 watt generator. If you guys are looking for a generator you can move around and that packs a lot of power, this one will do it for you. It's not only is it compact, but it's a dual fuel generator, inverter generator with pure sine wave, remote start, dual fuel, CO monitor, awesome display panel on front. Guys, let's take a closer look at this generator and see what it all comes with, okay? Okay, this generator gives you 3,500 starting, 3,200 running on pump gas. When you switch to propane, you get 3,100 starting, 2,800 running on propane tank. Okay, so this should help you a lot if you're looking for something you can move around that packs a lot of power. All right, let's take a closer look at this. Compact size, dual fuel, remote start, CO monitor. You have your emergency pull start right here, if in case you have a dead battery. Right here, you have your propane hookup, your selector switch right here. And if you look in the front, guys, I'm gonna go over this real close. You have this awesome display, handle to move it, wheels, so you can move it around real quick, still being able to carry this compact generator. Spark arrestor, real slick, real compact generator, and dual fuel that you don't see that a lot, and with 3,500 starting. Okay, guys, let me show you a closer look at this generator. Right away, you see the remote start. It comes strapped to the top. You could take it off if you want. A little clip. That's your remote. Let's hook it back right here. You got your pull start, your selector switch, propane, gas, and off. So if you switch to propane, running off propane, this will shut it off. Come back over here, switch to gas. When the generator is running, if you switch to off, it will only shut off the fuel. So that will drain your carburetor. If you want to shut it off, you just push the stop button in the front. But you put it right here, it's going to drain your carburetor. This is your hookup for your propane. Once you get to the front panel, guys, you see this awesome display right here. You got your push button start, low idle or eco mode, your reset right here, power, overload, and oil light. Got USB right here. You get two USB plugs. This one is parallel capable, guys. That's awesome. So you can tie two of these together and double your power. It's 7,000 watts starting. Here's your 3-pin 30 amp right here. And your 120 volt GFCI protected plugs. CO alert, CO monitor, and your ground plug. Let's fire this up. This generator is different. It has a direct start. So you push it. I want you to listen to the difference. Let's turn on our fuel. We'll go to gas. I already have oil in this generator and everything's set up. Try to keep the video short for you guys. Let's push start. I hope you see that display. Okay guys, you get your hours, gasoline, that's your tank, voltage, frequency, and your load. Push the button again, shut it off. 1.7 gallon fuel tank, spark plug access. Let's take this cover off. Okay. Okay guys, you can see the Genmax from the inside, your engine right here. You get a 145cc engine, valve cover right here, engine, carburetors located right here, air filter. This is where you add your oil and do your oil changes. It does have a little tab right here so the oil will fall on here and drain off. You would just tilt it. Carburetor, and this little wire right here, that's your wire for your remote start your antenna. Spark plug access from the top, like I showed you before. Let's go ahead and get this generator back together, take it outside and do a quick DB test on it. No tool access. Best thing ever. Showed you guys the telescoping handle in the front. Real easy to move, this generator. Let's just go over some of the specs of this generator. GM3500. Real compact generator. Very unique design. It's one of the first I've seen with this design. That's where you get your cool air coming in. With your handle. 1.7 fuel tank. Handle on top, easily carried. Let's look at some of the specs. So, you got your Genmax dual fuel inverter generator 3500iaed. I told you guys the starting watts right here. Running watts on propane. Okay. Parallel ready. 4-stroke engine, 145cc engine. It has a less than 3% total harmonic distortion. All right, let's see some of the specs. Okay, so you'll be able to get 26.7 amps on gas, 23.3 amps on LPG. That's pretty good, 26.7 amps. See, if you guys want to see the size, it's all right here. If you want to pause the video and go over this a little better, you can. $65 shipping weight, unit weight, 56.2 pounds. Not bad. Okay, guys, let's take it outside, fire it up, do a quick DB test. Okay, guys, we got the Genmax 3500 out here. All right, let's get back 23 feet so we can do this DB test. Let's go at 50.5 on eco mode. Let's turn off eco mode. $53.3. All right. Okay, guys, we got the Genmax connected to the RV. Just gonna do a real quick DB test while we have some load on it and see if it powers up the AC and some other loads, okay? Just a real quick load test, nothing crazy. As you can see right now, we're pulling about 72 watts. Okay, guys, first thing we're gonna do is check the pure sine wave on this generator. As you can see, the generator is putting out a pure sine wave. All right, let's turn the AC on, see if we'll do 1 or 2. Okay, we got the AC. Let's turn one on. Okay. Well, right about 1,100 watts, one AC. So there should be no problem getting two. Right about 59.4 with one AC, 1,100 watts. Guys, I do have soft starts. So if you want to be able to do this, I recommend you installing soft starts. They're not that much, but it does extend the life of your generator and your AC. There you go, that second AC just kicked in. All right, let's take a DB test. Let's just say 65.3. As you can see, guys, no problem for the Genmax. Running two ACs. I do recommend you running one, but it can start two of them with soft starts. Okay guys, if you like this videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Really appreciate that, helps the channel grow. Guys, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.